Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are driving through the Ferry area today, and to the left is Mandela Highway. To the right is the Kingston 876 Industrial Park, or more commonly known as the Ferry Industrial Park. So this is where we are now, on the side road that you take when you're driving through the actual ferry area. So straight ahead on the left now is a bridge. You take that bridge if you want to access the left, or if you want to access Mandela Highway to take you out of Kingston, or basically Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville, you would take this bridge to access that side of the road. But we're just going to take a quick tour, and we're going to stay on this road, and it will take us to the ferry area. This actually road takes us to the Ferry police station. So on the right is the Hydel group of schools, and we have the Tile City location coming up on the right. And then over here now is the Ferry police station. So we can't access Mandela Highway from this road, but persons coming off Mandela can access Ferry here. It's a one-way. So we're going to have to go around and back to the bridge to access Mandela Highway, heading towards Portmore and Spanish Town. Alright, so that's the Ferry police station on the left, and that's Mandela Highway on the right. Alright, so we're going to turn right now and go over this bridge and head on to Mandela Highway. Alright, so we're now going on to Mandela Highway and we're heading out of the city of Kingston. So this is the route you would take to go to Portmore, Spanish Town, and also access the PJ Patterson Highway or the Edward Seaga Highway. So on the left now is the Fesco gas station, and this is the largest gas station in Jamaica. It has more pumps than any other gas station. It's also one of the busiest gas stations. This road, Mandela Highway, is the busiest road in Jamaica. For the reasons we just stated, it takes you to Portmore, Spanish Town, it takes you out of the largest city in Jamaica, which is Kingston. You use this road to access the PJ Patterson Highway to go on the south coast. You also use it to access the Edward Seaga Highway, which takes you onto the north coast. So the gas station located on the busiest road in Jamaica should also be one of the busiest gas stations in Jamaica. So this road was recently renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. Cost $64 million US to renovate the road from Washington Boulevard down to the Portmore turnoff. And the second part, or the remaining part of the Mandela, which would take you from the Portmore turnoff to the Old Harbour Road roundabout, it's supposed to be renovated under the Greater Infrastructure Development Program. However, that no date has been announced yet for when that project will start, but it's on the books, or it's being worked on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.